Graph the linear function defined by f of x is equal to 2/3 x minus 1. What is its domain and range? So to graph, we need a couple of points to plot. We're going to find the y-intercept by replacing x with 0. So we'll have 2/3 times 0 minus 1. 2/3 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So our y-intercept is 0, negative 1. Our x-intercept is by replacing y, or f of x, with 0. So we'll have 0 is equal to 2/3 x minus 1. And we're going to solve for x. We'll add 1 to both sides. 1 is equal to 2/3 x. Multiply both sides by 3/2, and we'll get 3/2 equals x. So our ordered pair for our x-intercept will be 3/2, 0. We now have 2 points so that we can graph our function. We have our original function, f of x is equal to 2/3 x minus 1, our x-intercept at 3/2, 0, our y-intercept at 0, 1. Let's place those on our graph. Our y-intercept is at 0, negative 1. Our x-intercept is at 3/2, or 1.5, that is between 1 and 2. We'll use a straight edge to connect our points. And we'll label it f of x is equal to 2/3 x minus 1. They asked us to list the domain and the range, domain being the possible x values and the range being the possible y values. This is a linear function, and it's going to extend indefinitely in each direction. So the choices for x are all real numbers, which is going to extend from negative infinity to infinity. Our range, our possible y values, again, this is going to keep going indefinitely, and it's going to also extend from negative infinity to infinity. So we've graphed our original function, 2/3 x minus 1, and found the domain and the range.